Hayi yebo, hayi njalo ingane zethomo. Bayoza mafikosana. Shintsha nzama mavula vanzini madoda. Mnumzana amanzi ngqingqeshe. Dubula madubulani into ukuthi sizwe nje inyanga lelapha ekhaya. Ngoba impoko yakho ongenagobe la ingoma afa soza bekhona. Yebo, kunjalo. Kanyama emhlophe indoda phinde yekaniko. Makwenza kwenzeka umlomo ongathethi imbango. Shanda wanda umthiya nkomo foza bethiya masihlahla. Uhlanda ongakanani asentendeni yesandi yanela. Nasothini lomkhondo. Yahlala kithi cha baba. Kunjalo emadoda. Yena impela le indoda ehamba kancane. Yebo. Ya. Hayi mase sifikile sivala ngeme emzini yamanye amadoda. Hayi ngiyakutshela mfana. Yebo. Right. Yazi namhlanje. Two things I want to talk about actually. You know what? No. I'll make two different videos. Asike siqale ngala. Kunalento yokuthi kunomehluko between ukubona nokubonelela. All right, well, my English people, right? So there's a difference between being able to see and being able to see for people. Right? Huge difference. Many people make this mistake where they think, Uguti, all right, I'm able to see a little bit. And then now they want to fast track things. Up until a place where, or a state where they want to now start seeing things for people. Meanwhile, they're not even ready for that. Neither are they even in a state or stage to be able to start seeing things for people. Right? Very careful, my friend. Very, very careful. Why? Because once you start stepping into a zone or a place where you are not supposed to be, you are exposing yourself to things that will overwhelm you. You'll be overwhelmed, number one. Number two, you'll start realizing or seeing things, or rather, there are things that are going to start happening that you'll be unable to handle. You don't want to put yourself in a situation like that. Because sometimes those people that are coming to see things to you or from you, they are not coming with good intentions. Not everybody that comes to you comes with good intentions. See what I mean? It's a specific person that should be able to handle that situation. I see she up.